Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Speech therapy is valuable for individuals facing communication challenges and speech impediments. It empowers them to improve their speaking abilities and dismantle the barriers that hinder effective communication. A speech therapy goal bank serves as a compilation of ready-made speech therapy objectives designed to assist speech-language pathologists in crafting personalized treatment plans for their clients. These goals are systematically categorized by different speech and language aspects, encompassing articulation, fluency, receptive language, expressive language, and pragmatics. For speech-language pathologists, utilizing a speech therapy goal bank can prove highly beneficial as it saves time and ensures the formulation of specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives. Parents and caregivers of children undergoing speech therapy can also utilize these goal banks to gain insight into the different types of goals targeted in therapy and track their child's progress. Students receiving speech therapy can also benefit by understanding their own goals and monitoring their progress over time. Educators working with students facing speech and language disorders can use the goal banks to enhance their understanding of therapy objectives and develop tailored lesson plans for their students. To use our speech therapy goal banks, follow these steps. Download our speech therapy goal banks from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Utilize the plan as a guide to design a personalized therapy program. Define objectives and choose appropriate speech therapy tools and techniques to support the individual's communication progress. Refer to the goal bank during the therapy session to ensure comprehensive coverage of important aspects. Follow the plan and guide the individual through targeted action steps. Take notes and record significant breakthroughs. After each session, review the progress notes with the individual when needed. Assess the advancements made and discuss the next steps or adjustments to the plan to address new objectives or challenges that may arise. Here is a sample of our speech therapy goal banks, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our speech therapy goal banks, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.